Hi guys, my name is Kiva and this is DIY with KB. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're doing a home decor haul. When I say I've cut down on my shopping, I have a little bit, but not a lot. I still have a huge haul coming your way today. And I do want to say that today's video is in partnership with my good friend Nastasia. If you don't know Nastasia, she's like the queen of home decor and DIY here on YouTube. We are not only both doing home decor hauls, but we're also doing a giveaway. So we are giving away these things here. You guys have been dying for these vases and a good crystal, so I had to get them to you, especially since some of you say that you don't have good home goods near you. We're also going to be giving away a $50 Crate & Barrel gift card, so you're going to have to keep on watching for more information. All the information will actually be down below, but keep watching anyway, because I love when you watch my videos. Now let's get into today's video. So recently, Crate & Barrel has become pretty much my favorite home decor store, because obviously their stock is really good and it's not as expensive as I once thought. So the first thing I got is this wonderful pitcher. It's part of the Leanne Ford collection for Crate & Barrel. It was, I don't know how many dollars, but as per usual, I will put a link to everything down below. I don't know the price offhand, but that's okay. I know that I was okay with it when they were ringing it up at the store, so that's what matters. It's a nice off-white / like beige color. And you could actually use it for water. All of her stuff is actually food safe, but I'm just using it as kind of just like a nice centerpiece on my table when the table is not formally set. Something else I picked up from Crate & Barrel was this pot. This one is also super cute. This is not part of her collection. And what I did is I wanted different vases of like different heights to be able to cluster together in a group. And I really like handles for some reason. So this double handle really got me. And this is like a grayish with some like nice textured detailing at the top. I'm telling you, their vessels are really, really affordable. I usually go to Home Goods for my vessels, but $60 is a lot of money for a vessel this size. And this one definitely wasn't that. So I was happy with that. So the next vessels I want to show you are actually from Ikea. So Ikea, y'all sleep on Ikea. I don't understand why. Ikea has really, really amazing stuff. So I've been seeing this little pot for months. And I was like, babe, let me get this. But it was $4.99, and I was like, that is too much money. And when I say $4.99, I mean $4.99. And I thought it was too much money, but I kept going back, and I still wanted it. So I picked it up. I just love the nice little texture, and then it's a nice white. And then, in the Christmas part of Ikea, oddly enough, I found the large version. So in the normal part of Ikea, where I found this one, they have like the mother pitcher that's bigger, but it has a horrible blue rim around it. But this one was part of the Christmas collection, and to me, it looks identical. Somehow Anne's hair ended up in this. I don't really know how that happened, but it looks identical. So this is the mother pot, and this is the little baby pot, and I love them both. This one, again, don't know the prices. I'll put everything down below. And then I actually ended up styling this on this sideboard that I built, and these are Chestnut Branches, which are also part of my little haul here. These are from Crate & Barrel, and so you're gonna look at me crazy when I tell you how much these cost. These were $24.95, but hear me out. Branches like this from like a Michael's or Joann, they don't ever look as real, 1. 2, I don't have any outdoor space to get them. There are no trees around me, and that's a problem, but there are no trees. There's nowhere to get anything, and I didn't want to take anything off of anybody's property, and I wanted something that was going to stand up because I don't have somewhere, a place again to go get it. So I'm really happy with those branches. I just got 3, and I cut them down to length, and then I made one taller by stuffing it with paper. It works super well. I like the way that looks. I decided to pair that vase with this vase. This is also from Crate & Barrel. This is the Lehigh handle vase. Look at this. It's a nice brown color, but it doesn't throw you off in my space. It just is adding a nice, cool, neutral color, which is what I want. I can't go from having all white and black to having like a bright blue or a bright green, or I can't do that comfortably. It's not that it can't be done, but I want to be comfortable with the way I live. Because if you think that I don't sit around my house all day just staring at things I've styled being like, am I sure? I really do that. So I was really happy about this one. Again, I was looking for vessels that were just like of varying heights that all work together. I styled all of these in the store. So at Crate & Barrel, at least the one here, I think they like know us when we walk in the store at this point. And I just like take a table over and I do everything. I put things back when they, you know, when I move them, if I don't buy them. But really happy with this one again. I put it over here. it moves between over here and on the table, depending upon the day. So the other colorful vase that I got, and when I say colorful, again, I mean tan brown, is this one. So this is Babe's least favorite one, and I honestly think it's mine too. This one says for decorative use only. So now we know. It's a little bit dark, but it's very aesthetically pleasing. Again, I just spit everywhere. I just wanted a vase of a different height, and I like that there's like 2 different shapes to it. Now, some of these vessels, I will say, you could DIY from a place like the Dollar Tree really easily, but sometimes I just want instant gratification. And that's what I got with this most recent shopping trip. And again, keep your receipts, people, because you can buy things and you not want to keep those things, but it's okay to bring things home and see if they're going to work in your house. The final vase that I believe, oh no, this is from West Elm. So now we're moving on to West Elm. So I don't normally shop at West Elm because I really think that their things are overpriced. I honestly see West Elm as kind of like a glorified Ikea. I love Ikea, but then I'm just going to go to Ikea and pay the lesser sum of money. But this vase was super cute. Again, a nice tan color. It's not too yellow, which I'm happy about because I don't like any yellow tones in my house. And I love the height on it. The height on it is fantastic. So I got this one. And then the other one I got from West Elm is too big for me to pick up right now. But it's the one that I have those branches in that are on my coffee table. Maybe Babe will come around here and lift it up for me. Would you do that for me, honey? It's this huge vessel here. I love it. It's just massive. They have tons of these in store right now. They have
bigger ones even?
They do have bigger ones, and they have smaller ones, so keep holding that. I will show you the other one in the same little thing. This one is small. Big, small. But yeah, is it heavy? It's pretty heavy. So she's going to put it down. Those branches are also from Michael's. Now, I'm going to tell you I wouldn't recommend them because they look really nice from a distance and they do what I need them to do, but they're peeling off already and nobody touches them. So that's pretty frustrating to me. I'll tell you something about me and Babe. So we don't entertain often. Anne is my best friend. She's been my best friend forever and really enjoy spending time together. So we don't invite people over that often. But when we do, we don't have anything to serve food on. So it's always really embarrassing and we're like, okay, we're adults now. We're trying to be more social. We got to get together. Plus, now we finally have a dining table that does not fall over. So we got this beautiful platter. It's part of the Leanne Ford collection. Obviously, everything good that I got is part of her collection. And you should shop her collection too because her stuff is amazing and she's from Pittsburgh. And I pretty much support anyone that's from Pittsburgh, even though I am from Baltimore, Maryland. But look at it. There it is. Right now I've been using it honestly as a catch-all tray, which I shouldn't be doing. But not only does she have this tray, she has matching bowls, serving plates, all sorts of things. Super cute. That I learned about Crate & Barrel the other day is that they actually have a massive stock room. Of course, all businesses have stores have stock rooms, but it's massive. I was like, do you have 8 of these plates? And he was like, yeah, I'm gonna go get them. So I love that. The next 2 items I'm going to talk to you about are both statues. So if you saw my most recent dining room video, you know about this statue that everyone in the world has been trying to get. So they're selling it now on TJ Maxx online. When it goes back in stock, I will alert all of you. But it is beautiful and it was only $55. They have it on other websites, but they're selling it for around $168 and it just isn't worth that much money. So when it comes back in stock, I will link it for you. But this is amazing. It's just sitting on my sideboard. I'm probably going to paint it, even though some of you told me not to. I really want it to be a little bit more black. That's okay. And then I also found this one. This is just like a nice mini bust. This is from Home Goods, and it was $20, and I really liked it because it, you know, the nice faded look. It was actually worth $20 to me because it's very sturdy, and you could take it off the stand if you wanted to, which is nice because I don't always want things on stands, so you could actually pull this off if you really wanted to and just set this on a book or something like that. Okay, so I wanted to add more earthy vessels, and I think I made a mistake with this one. This one is from TJ Maxx. I just never have good luck at TJ Maxx, and when I saw it in the store, I only looked on this side, really. And obviously on the other side, it's just like super farmhouse and it talks about a garden. So this is probably going to go back to the store, but I really do like the color. If I had somewhere to put it, I would put it there. But this is something that's going up back, especially since it was $15. I think I'd like my $15 back. But I did try to style it around the house. It just didn't work, so that's okay. So at this point, I will never not buy my dinnerware from Crate & Barrel. I was able to get these Marin plates from Crate & Barrel. I got 6, salad or appetizer plates and 6 dinner plates, and it was so affordable. It was no money at all. Before we had those, we had these ones. So this is the K, and we had only 4 of the salad / appetizer plates. We had 4 bowls and then 4 just normal dinner plates. And there's nothing wrong with them. I like the clean lines of it, but we just wanted the black for the holidays because you know we're gonna go all out with the Christmas stuff, and we wanted to have dinnerware that would fit with that. The next thing is something I just got off of Amazon. Okay guys, I know that this is long, but you need to know about all of these things. So I'm about to decorate for Christmas, like literally after I finish filming this video. And I really wanted a runner, a really nice runner. I wanted 2 runners actually. And I wanted something that was linen because we love linen here. And I got these wonderful ones. I didn't do it, Babe did it. Babe got these wonderful ones off of Amazon. They're 100% pure linen. This is one of them. And you know I have to steam this or, you know, before I put it on the table because we're not here for the wrinkles. But it is, I believe, how many inches long?
60 inches, and it was $18.
Okay, it's 60 inches and $18, which I think is really good. I wanted to do something I saw off of Pinterest. We'll see if it's successful. But they had so many different lengths, so you can get these online. I will link my Amazon storefront where I have all of these things. The other type of linen thing I want to show you is our new duvet cover. So I got a duvet cover from Crate & Barrel a few months ago, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. But just wanted to have a backup. This one is so affordable. There was a coupon when I bought it. I don't know if they have it now. If they do, I'll put the information down below. But this is a 100% linen duvet cover, and it comes with 2 shams. It's king size. We paid $149 or $169 at the time. And I really like it because it matches the cloud bed perfectly. So that's the bed we have in our bedroom. And we bought like 10 different linen duvets and they were all too warm. And this is a little bit more cool. And the Belgian linen from RH is super cool. So I was so happy to find this and for such a good price because duvets, linen can be upwards of $300, especially in a king size, and we have a big bed, and then obviously we have to have matching shams, so it can get really costly. So I'm really excited about that. I actually bought it a month ago and I still have yet to put it on our bed, but I'm gonna do it tonight. I can feel it. And last but not least, I want to show you just a little bit of my Christmas decor, just a little bit. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I got my tree from Big Lots, and I'm just going to show you the box because I don't want to reveal my tree to you yet. So I'll insert that here. But we got this amazing 9 foot Christmas tree. It's flocked and it's beautiful. It looks like those like $1,000 trees online, but it was only $200 from Big Lots, and it took like 10 minutes to put together. It was amazing. Like obviously we added stuff to the Christmas tree, but you could have left it as is and it would have still made a statement. So I was really happy about that. Big Lots is such a good place to buy Christmas trees, and I had to just put you onto that. Next, I got some stuff from Ikea. So if you, again, follow me on Instagram, you'd see that I made a little cloche video. I'm doing little like Christmas settings with a cloche on top because it's really nice and cute, and you can add that to like your decor at any point in time. I got a bunch of these cloches. I got black houses, black trees, all the different things. And I got the cloches. This one's from Target. Babe broke one. We went to Target just for cloches, and she comes upstairs. Oh no, we're unpacking the car, and I hear this crash, and I go, "What is it?" And she says, "It's the cloche." I don't know how that happened. She had no remorse, you guys. But anyway, then we went to Ikea, and she let me buy some more, so that's okay. And these are honestly better than the ones from Target. This is the large size. They also are packaged way better. And then this is the small size. So I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these little things and put them like in the bathroom or on the kitchen counter. A little bit of decor, but not overwhelming my space, because honestly, who wants to clean that up? That's what I want to say. And last but not least, what I got were these candlesticks. So these ones are from Target, but Ikea actually had identical ones. So I'm going to pull out the Ikea ones when I get around to it and compare them and see which one is better, because the Ikea ones were $10 fewer than these ones, which obviously who doesn't want to save money? But I know tons of you don't have Ikeas nearby, so I like to have options that are affordable to you. Okay, I said last but not least, but last but not least, we got these really cute kitchen towels from Big Lots. They're $5. And again, not straying from our color scheme. It's black and white, but you do have the little Christmas trees. I've never decorated for Christmas before because my grandmother used to never let me help. She is amazing at Christmas decor and I just ruin it. So this is my first time really doing it in our home, so I think it's gonna be a good time. Okay guys, that's it for today's home decor haul. If you want to win any of these vessels, the crystal, and a $50 Crate & Barrel gift card, be sure to check out my description box and go check out Nostalgia's home decor haul over on her channel. Until next time, have a beautiful day.